How to export BullX private key to Phantom Wallet, best method 2025. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how you can export your BullX private key to Phantom Wallet. So, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to your BullX account, and obviously you're going to go over to managing your wallets and get your private keys. Now, obviously, once you've gotten your private key, how are you going to export it to your Phantom Wallet? So, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your Phantom Wallet right here, as so. And what we're going to do is we are going to log ourselves into our Phantom wallet. Now, once we do that, let me show you what you're going to do from there. So from here, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your wallets. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on add or connect wallet. Now from here, you're going to go to import private key. And right here, first of all, you're going to choose the blockchain you want to have this wallet operated on. So let's say I go with Ethereum. You're going to give it the name. So let's say in our case, we're going to call it BullX. And right down here, you're going to add the private key that you're going to take off of your BullX. And once you've added that, import it. And that will simply go ahead and import your BullX private key to your Phantom wallet and give you a new wallet. So that is pretty much about it. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.